When performing any addition, we make sure we place one number under the other and line them up. And by line them up, what we mean is we place all the units in the same column. We can see that in blue. All the tens are in the same column. We can see that in red. All the hundreds are in the same column. We can see that in green. And the thousands in orange are also in the same column. We start from right to left, so we add the numbers in the units column first. We can see in blue that 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So that result is in the units column. So what we're going to do is place the 5 underneath the 3 and the 2, and once we've completed that column, we then move towards the left. We now go to the tens column, which is shown in red. Now 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. In actual fact, what we're saying is 80 plus 40 equals 120, but because we're in columns, we'll stick to those particular numbers. When we go to write down our answer underneath the 8 and the 4, we've only got room for one digit, and our answer 12 has got 2 digits. What we need to do is remember that the number 1 of 12, shown in green, is actually now in the 100s, so we're going to carry that across to the next column. So below the 8 and the 4 we write 2, and we carry the green one to the next column on the left because that's representing the 100s. That's easy to understand if we remember that 80 plus 40 is 120, so the 2 goes in the tens column and the 1 has to go in the hundreds column. Now we add the digits in the 100s column. We've got a 1 that we carried over previously from the tens column, and we've got the 1 and 9 that were already there at the start of the question. That gives us 11. What we have to do is carry over the 1 shown in orange into the thousands column. So the 1 that's in green stays in the 100s column, and the other one gets carried over. So now looking at the thousands column, we can see that we've got a 1 and a 2. All we have to do is add those two numbers together to get the result for the thousands column. And of course 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we put that result directly below the 1 and the 2 in the thousands column. And our final answer is 3,125. Of course, showing this on paper, you'd have all the numbers in the one colour. So we can see there the numbers that have been carried over as we move from the right-hand columns towards the left.